In this video, we are diving into how to schedule Facebook group posts automatically so you can save time and make sure your content is posted at the right moment, even when you're not around. If you've ever wanted to schedule posts in your Facebook groups without constantly having to be online, this quick tutorial is for you. We'll be using a simple software that makes scheduling posts easy and automated. This tool allows you to plan, set, and forget your content, ensuring it reaches your group members at the best times, even if you're asleep or busy with something else. Now, the first thing you want to do is sign up for the software we'll be using. Don't worry, I've included a special exclusive free trial for my viewers in the description, so make sure to grab it if you want to follow along. Once you've signed up, log in and connect your Facebook account. The software we're using supports Facebook groups, so once your account is connected, you'll be able to select the specific group where you want your post to go. The next step is to create your post. You can either write a new post from scratch or reuse an old one by copying and pasting it into the software. The interface is pretty straightforward, and you'll see a simple editor where you can adjust the content as needed. After you've got your post ready, you'll see an option to choose when the post will go live. This is where the magic happens. Instead of having to manually post at a specific time, you can set the exact date and time you want the post to appear in your group. This means your group will get fresh content at the perfect time without you having to lift a finger. Once the date and time are set, click the schedule button and you're done. Your post will automatically go live at the time you selected. No need to worry about missing deadlines or forgetting to post. And here's an added bonus. You can schedule multiple posts in advance, so if you're going on vacation or just want to batch your content for the week, you can get everything scheduled at once and not think about it again. Before I wrap up, let me give you a quick reminder. If you want to take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software we're using today, check out the link in the description below. It's available only to viewers of my channel, so don't miss out. So, what's the key takeaway here? Scheduling your Facebook group posts automatically is a huge time saver, and with the right software, you can do it all in just a few minutes. To recap, sign up for the software, connect your Facebook account, create your post, set your schedule, and let the software take care of the rest. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab your free trial in the description. I'll see you in the next one.